computer will let me. Yep, so SY is equal to half GT squared plus UYT. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so we're actually going to modify it a little. Where are we at? Okay. Yeah, so this is going to be half, and this is going to become acceleration because we're dealing with down. Actually, I'm wondering if we have all the variables for this. We do, sorry. Oh, and it's not going to be S. Y. It's actually just going to be S because it's the acceleration going down. Which is why it's not going to be this top formula, which is why we're going to modify it. Yeah, so it's going to be half a... Oh, is this one in your formula sheet? No, I'm wondering. Okay, I've got this formula here. It should be in your formula sheet. It basically looks like that top one, but just a little different. So it's S. I'm pretty sure we used this one when I was in physics. UT plus half AT. Yeah, but the only thing is that we don't have that. So, just thinking, what we're going to do is we're going to say 10 meters. Doesn't look quite right. I don't think it's going to end up right at all. Well, maybe. Radio. I think I'm just overthinking. It's like earlier when I couldn't find the mass, and then the mass was literally right there. We had already calculated it. Initially at rest. Oh, maybe that's the hint here. Okay, yeah, initially at rest. That means that U is going to be 0. Sorry about that. Brain had a moment. Yes, so it's going to be U times T, so it's going to be 0 times T plus half times the acceleration we calculated, which is 2.81. Multiplied by our time. Yep, so we're going to end up with 10. Is equal to half times 2.81 times time. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually go back a step. I'm going to make a little bit more room. And just have this already divided. So divided by half times 2.81. And that's going to be equal to time. It's now time. Sorry, just make sure this thing's going. Yep, cool. Yeah, so 10 divided by half times 2.81. We end up with 7.12 seconds. That's how long it takes to travel, to slide 10 meters along the slope. Okay, if you have any questions about that, feel free to ask.